Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of beyond furniture ideas and profitable home accents by turning discarded wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Beyond furniture lies a rich and often overlooked world of wooden home accents that hold immense potential for both creative expression and extra income. In many workshops and garages, small pieces of discarded wood are pushed aside in favor of larger projects, yet these fragments carry just as much character and opportunity as full planks or boards. When approached with imagination and care, overlooked wooden elements can be elevated into refined decor that speaks to modern tastes while remaining deeply rooted in sustainable craftsmanship. This shift in focus from large furniture to smaller, intentional accents allows makers to explore artistry on a more intimate scale, where detail, texture, and story become the primary drivers of value. These creations fit effortlessly into contemporary homes and appeal to customers seeking meaningful objects that add warmth, individuality, and authenticity to their living spaces. The beauty of crafting wooden home accents from discarded materials lies in their accessibility and versatility. Smaller pieces require less raw material, fewer tools, and shorter production times, making them ideal for artisans looking to generate income without significant upfront investment. A weathered beam fragment, an offcut with unusual grain, or a naturally shaped branch can become the foundation for an artistic accent that transforms a room. Through thoughtful shaping, smoothing, and finishing, the maker reveals hidden elegance within each piece, allowing its imperfections to become defining features. This process not only minimizes waste, but also reinforces a sustainable approach that resonates strongly with eco-conscious buyers. The result is decor that feels intentional and refined, despite its humble origins, proving that size does not determine impact or value. Innovation plays a central role in transforming discarded wood into profitable accents. Rather than replicating conventional designs, artisans experiment with form, scale, and function, allowing the material itself to inspire new possibilities. Subtle curves, natural edges, and varied textures become focal points that distinguish handmade accents from mass-produced alternatives. By embracing asymmetry and organic variation, the maker creates pieces that feel alive and personal, qualities increasingly valued in modern interiors. These artistic choices elevate simple wooden elements into objects of desire, enabling artisans to position their work within a higher value market. Customers drawn to these accents are often seeking something rare and expressive, making them more willing to invest in pieces that reflect thoughtful design and craftsmanship. Sustainability is not just a selling point, but a guiding philosophy in this approach. Transforming discarded wood into home accents extends the material's life cycle and reduces reliance on newly harvested resources. This conscious reuse aligns with broader cultural shifts toward mindful consumption and environmental responsibility. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. When artisans share the story of how each piece was reclaimed and transformed, they invite customers into a narrative of renewal and respect for natural materials. This transparency builds trust and emotional connection, enhancing the perceived value of the work. Buyers are no longer purchasing a simple object, They are supporting a creative process that honors both artistry and the environment. This emotional resonance is a powerful driver of repeat business and long-term customer relationships. From a business perspective, smaller wooden accents offer significant advantages for generating extra income. Their manageable size makes them easier to produce in batches while still maintaining uniqueness, allowing artisans to balance efficiency with individuality. They are also more accessible to a wider audience, as lower price points compared to large furniture pieces reduce barriers to purchase. This accessibility encourages impulse buying and gift-giving, expanding the market reach and increasing sales frequency. Over time, a collection of distinctive accents can establish a recognizable brand identity, attracting customers who appreciate consistent quality and creative vision. This steady demand creates a reliable income stream that complements or even surpasses revenue from larger projects. The creative satisfaction of crafting wooden home accents should not be underestimated. Working on smaller pieces allows artisans to experiment freely, refine techniques, and explore new ideas without the pressure or risk associated with large-scale furniture projects. This experimentation often leads to innovation, as makers discover novel ways to combine materials, textures, and finishes. The joy of transforming a small, overlooked piece of wood into something beautiful and functional reinforces the intrinsic value of craftsmanship. This passion translates into the finished work, making it more compelling and authentic. Customers can sense this care and intention, which strengthens their connection to the piece and to the maker. Modern interiors provide an ideal canvas for unique wooden accents, as they often rely on minimalism and clean lines to create a sense of calm. Handcrafted wooden pieces introduce warmth and contrast, softening spaces while adding character and depth. Whether displayed individually or grouped thoughtfully, these accents become conversation pieces that reflect personal taste and values. Their ability to complement a wide range of styles, from contemporary to rustic modern, enhances their market appeal. This versatility allows artisans to reach diverse audiences and adapt their designs to evolving trends without compromising their core aesthetic. Ultimately, moving beyond furniture to focus on unique wooden home accents opens a pathway to meaningful, sustainable income rooted in creativity and resourcefulness. By elevating discarded wood into artistic decor, artisans demonstrate that value is not defined by scale or novelty, but by intention, craftsmanship, and story. These smaller creations embody a philosophy of mindful making, where beauty emerges from reuse and profit grows from purpose. In a world increasingly drawn to authenticity and sustainability, handcrafted wooden accents stand as powerful examples of how overlooked materials can be transformed into objects of lasting worth, enriching homes while supporting creative livelihoods. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beyond furniture ideas and profitable home accents by turning discarded wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.